Hyaluronic acid is great for dry skin. It kind of acts like a water magnet, so it draws the moisture from the environment into your skin. It's something that's naturally in our skin anyway.
I tend to have pretty dry skin, so I need something that moisturizes, but also gives me a little bit more bounce.
My main concerns, especially now since I'm 40, is dryness. I've noticed that I've gotten these deep creases here around my mouth, and then I've noticed a lot of creasing here in the forehead. So I really miss that plump feeling that my skin, younger skin, used to have. Dr. BRANDT Hyaluronic Facial Cream, hyaluronic and peptides. So this is gonna help plump up my skin.